Today is Sunday, August 30. I believe today is the last day of D3, D5 deer hunting. There's about a few cars. My Savage again. And team my Savage. See a few score. Shot a couple of them. A few escape. Now they kind of stay off the road now, so if you want to get them, you have to go into the forest now. I did that a couple times. Okay. Get down. Pretty big guy, but skinny. Two. What the fuck up here? There's two. Shot him first, but he didn't kill. Shot the guts out. Aim on the chest. Hit him. Surprise you. For the exit. Exit way. Sorry, right here. Over here. Okay, sorry. Pretty big, but skinny. Got him. Shot him in the head. Fucking so fast I couldn't get it on camera. Picking its head up. amazing. Looks like somebody looks like somebody hit him before. Even the head bug hit the shit. Should I keep him or what? Looks like he got bitten or a shot. No, you got to see. This is where I shot him at, but there's the damage part. Finally, get the gun up there. Ooh. And the second one I shot here. I don't know, this guy just climbed on this. Not a big one, but no weight. And then this one, it's a male too. Just gonna walk back to the car. Or head down to another spot that I know is pretty good too. It's probably gonna be 3 miles to get back to the car. 3 miles. Nice. It's about 2:30 right now. 2:30 p.m.